Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so excited about this one. Today I'll be making some creamy curry chicken pasta, and here is my chicken that I'm just showing you guys how I cut it up. So I'm using chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts, right? So yeah, I just deboned the chicken thigh and then I'm cutting it up into cubes, not too small, right? So I'm just showing you guys one piece. So yes, that is it, all done. And here are my ingredients that I'll be using to season up the chicken, right? So here I'm going to be adding some all-purpose seasoning. If you have chicken seasoning, you can use that as well. I'm going in with some mixed garlic and onion powder, and I'm adding some salt. And now I'm going in with my blended seasoning. So, you know, scallion, onion, thyme, the works, pimento, all that good stuff, right? So here I'm adding my better pack curry. Yes, the best curry in town. So I added the better pack curry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and massage all them ingredients together on that chicken, and then I will eyeball it. As I go, I'll add more curry. So obviously needed some more curry powder. So I'm just adding some more. And guys, do not stinge on adding the curry powder, because remember, we are making a creamy curry chicken pasta and we're going to be adding some stuff. It's not just to cook the curry and leave it, right? So yes, look at that, beautiful, so well seasoned. Okay vibes, here are the rest of my ingredients, right? I'm using penne pasta, and and of course there's my chicken, and yeah, the rest of my amazing delicious ingredients, you know, some scallion chopped up, ginger. Yes, so here is my hot water. I'm adding some salt, add some oil, and then I pour in the pasta and leave it to boil, not for too long vibes, maybe 8 minutes. So here I'm adding some oil, right? And then I'm gonna add my curry powder. Now vibes, in total maybe I use 2 packs of this curry powder, right? Trust me, it's not too much, and you will see why. It's so good though. You need a good curry for this recipe though, you know, you really need it. So here I'm just allowing my curry to burn a little bit. So I'm going to leave it for about 2 minutes. So first I'm just, you know, giving it a mix, giving it a little stir, you know, get it all incorporated with the oil, and then I'm gonna leave it for 2 minutes, right? And then here it is now after 2 minutes. Come back again, give it a stir, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the other ingredients. So here I'm adding some onion, 1 chopped onion, and I'm going to, I can't say I'm going to saute it until it's translucent because the curry powder is on it, so you're not gonna see it. So just stir it for like a minute or so, right? And here I'm adding about a tablespoon of grated ginger. Vibes, this is important. The ginger powder is honestly not it, right? Try and see if you can get yourself some fresh ginger and grate the ginger, and yeah, add it, about a tablespoon, right? And then now this is it. I left that for about 2 minutes, and then now I'm adding my garlic, some minced up garlic, and yeah, give that a stir too. And look at it, but vibes, by this point your kitchen smell amazing, A to the amazing. So here we have the niceness bubbling away, right? And we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken, right? And vibes, have the stove on about medium or closer to low, right? Because remember, these pieces of chicken, they're small, they're going to cook very fast, but we also want to ensure that our curry is cooked properly, right? That is why we burn the curry. So while I was stirring that, I remember my pasta, and I was like, I need to get it off, so let's take it off because we don't want it to be too soft, right? Because we still have more cooking to do after this. So I'm gonna pour it out. Please don't leave it in the water, Vibes Fam. Pour it out and set it aside to cool. And here I came back to my chicken, and I'm just showing you this niceness. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. We're gonna give it a stir it up, Vibes Fam. Mix it up, right? Yes, mix it up. That's the thing, as a cook, you have to have your eye everywhere, you know, right? Because you don't want to leave that pasta burning or, you know, getting too soft. So yes, stir it up. And Vibes Fam, we're going to go ahead and cover this for 5 minutes just to get those natural juices going. And Vibes Fam, custom. So here, the bowl that I add the chicken in, right? I went ahead and I added some hot water, just a little bit of hot water. This may be half cup. In total, I'm going to add about 1 cup of hot water, right? So we're going to go ahead and stir the chicken. Stir it up and push it to the side, right? So that we can pour the hot water into the pot. So I poured that hot water. Look at it pouring ahead. And it wasn't enough. And I added some more. So as I said, about a cup, right? And then we're going to, you know, set them nice into the middle. Yes, sort them out. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the sweet peppers, all the colors, and some scallion. But Vibes Fam, what I did, I left some of the sweet peppers. I added most of it here, but I left back a few, right? Because I wanted it to really cook into the chicken, but then I wanted to leave back just a few so that it cook in the last part to add a pop of color. Cover this for 10 minutes. So yeah, Vibes Fam, this is it. After 10 minutes, go ahead and stir it, and we need to taste it. We need to see where we are, right? So this is after 10 minutes, taste it. And it needed some more salt, so I added some more salt. Stir it up again and taste, because we need to make sure that this thing tastes good. I added the rest of the sweet peppers, and now I'm adding the cream cheese. So yeah, Vibes Fam, you need to make sure that it tastes good, because basically that is just it. Though the cream cheese and so will give it a nice creamy, because that's all the cream cheese is for. It's gonna give it a creamy taste, a creamy texture, right? But you need to make sure that your curry chicken tastes good by itself, right? So yes, taste as you go along. So go ahead and stir in that cream cheese to make this all nice and creamy, right? Make sure you stir it in, and then we're gonna go ahead, and after this I'm gonna add 1 cup of coconut milk, really coconut cream, because it's really the creamy part of the coconut, right? Because it helps with the creaminess of the pasta. And also, Vibes Fam, you do not have to add any coconut milk at all. You can only use the cream cheese if you don't want to use any coconut milk, or if you don't have any coconut milk, right? It's fine. So yeah, Vibes Fam, this is it. Taste it. And I'm adding just a little bit of oh my goodness, you know, the dry pepper flakes, just to give it a little kick, and cover this for 10 minutes. Vibes Fam, this is smelling so good, and of course you want to go ahead and give it a stir and taste it again, right, to make sure that everything is okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the pasta. So this is why I was saying don't overcook your pasta, because some cookation is still gonna take place, right? So yes, go ahead and stir in that pasta. Stir it in. We are incorporating everything. Yes, we're in the incorporation business. We are in the one accord business. Yes, get them together. We are in the blending business. Yes, Father. Yes. So go ahead and just mix that in. Yes. Ooh, I feel a taste good spirit. So go ahead and mix that in, Vibes Fam, and look at that. Look at that, and it not ready yet, not fully, right? But look at, ooh, yes. Vibes Fam, I can taste it. I don't know about, ooh, yes, and look pan chicken. Oh, So Vibes Fam, go ahead and you're gonna cover this for 2 minutes. Right, 2 minutes. Look at it. Oh, I'm adding some black pepper first because we still need just a little more kick, right? So add the black pepper and we're gonna go in again, right, and stir that in again. So Vibes Fam, you see why the pasta can't be too soft, because you have to take all of this into consideration, all of this stirring, and then plus the 2 minutes, right? So don't cook your pasta too soft. El dente is it, right? And cover this now for 2 minutes. Vibes Fam, look at all that amazingness. Yes, 2 minutes, and then this is us. This is us, Vibes Fam, all done. When I tell you, look pan nice and creamy body pasta. Yes. Love, love, love. Vibes Fam, I love me some pasta. So when I tell you I is excited about this, I am so serious. So good. Good chicken. Yes, yes, yes. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Whoa. So good, Vibes Fam. I tell you, say I'm excited because me love curry chicken, I love curry chicken, and then I love pasta. So you can imagine, you incorporate the two of them together. What is you talking about? We nice. We very nice over here in this household. So good. This tasted amazing. And I love some creaminess. But guess what? Actually, if you don't want, say you don't want to use any cream cheese and you don't want to use no coconut milk, cook your curry nice and add your pasta. And guess what? That is still nice, just a different twist, right? But we always just work with what we have. So Vibes Fam, comment down below and tell me, would you try this? Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. And Vibes Fam, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram now. God bless you. Thank you.